Hello friends and welcome to Happiness Miles Studio, your go-to studio for helpful plugins and how-to information. In today's video, I'll be uploading my outstanding documents on the Nelson Mandela University portal.
Now let's get started. Open your web browser and search Nelson Mandela University. You will see a few options pop up. Look for the one that says Nelson Mandela University status check and click on it. Next, click on the link that says log in to Nelson Mandela University. This will take you directly to the student portal. Once you're there, log in using your student number as your username and your PIN as your password. These were emailed to you after submitting your application to the Nelson Mandela University. After logging in, you will land on your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see a task menu. Look for the tab labeled Documentation Outstanding. Click on the tab. This will take you to the document upload page. On the right-hand side, you will notice a few things. First, if you haven't downloaded the parent declaration form yet, there's a link available to do that. Click on the link to download it. Then have your parent fill it in and sign it. After signing, make sure to scan the completed form so it's ready for upload. Now let's upload our documents. Click on the Upload Document button. You can either drag and drop your file or simply click to browse your files. Once you have selected your document, it will upload automatically. You will be able to see the file listed below once it's uploaded. Need to upload another file? Just click on the small X to add a new document. And that's it. Your documents are now successfully uploaded. Now all you need to do is wait for feedback from the university. Good luck with your application. If you'd like me to create another video on how to apply at Nelson Mandela University, drop a comment below and I'll make the video available for you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.